Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the cast iron pan is a one-stop shop for all your cooking needs.
Expert reviews.
This is a cast iron skillet from DeBuyer. As a chef, I use cast iron almost exclusively. This is one of the most simple pans that you will see in the kitchen. This pan specifically actually has been with me for about 25 years, and it looks exactly the same. It can go in and out of an oven. It can be used on an electric range, an induction range. It can use directly into fire. It conducts heat very quickly, very evenly, and that's really important when you're cooking on a stove or in a fire or on an induction range. This is basically a universal pan that we've used from baking bread to roasting scallops to roasting meats. I'd recommend this for not only a professional chef, but the home cook, someone who wants to be in the kitchen, but doesn't want to spend a lot of money over and over again. I don't have to buy another pan. Caring for this is really important. So we use salt and oil, a little bit of oil with a little bit of salt, and then we can rub the pan in. I can take this home. I can take this on trips. This is something that will stay with you for 40, 50 years. You maintain it properly. It really encompasses everything that chefs love about cookware.